Hi friends. In this video we are going to see how to create avatar in Facebook. If you are watching my channel first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's get into the video. Similar to Snapchat or Apple's Memoji avatars, Facebook also launched the cartoon avatar feature. It allows the users to create an animated character avatar of themselves with the customized face, hairstyles, and outfits. First of all, install or update the new version of Facebook. We can enter the avatar creator by following ways. First way is to tap the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select See More. Here we can see the avatar option. Next way is to tap the comments section in any post in Facebook. Here click the emoji icon and we can see the create avatar icon. By tapping it, we can also create avatar. Then the next way is to tap the Try It button in shared avatar post by our friends. Then the last way is to create avatar by using Messenger app. Open any chat window and tap the emoji icon. Here we can see the create avatar icon. By tapping it, we can also create the cartoon avatar of our own. That's all. Let's try it. Avatar creation is very simple method. It lets you create an avatar, which is a cartoon of yourself. We can customize the same with a variety of hairstyles, faces, and outfits. Let's see one by one. Here we have to choose our preferred skin tone and tap next. Now, it will ask you to select a hairstyle for the avatar and a color. Then we have to choose a face shape, face lines, and customize the eye shape, color and eyelash length. Later, select the eyebrows shape and color. Here we can add glasses to our avatar. Then customize the nose and mouth by choosing the desired shape, lip color and facial hair. Then choose a body shape and an outfit, accessories such as hat, earrings, or scarf. Tap the mirror icon to open the selfie camera and find out whether the avatar looks like you or not. Once we done, we can tap on Next and done. That's all, our cartoon avatar is ready. We can share our avatar as sticker in WhatsApp, Telegram and other social media. Tap the sticker and select more options to share in other platforms. Each of you have your own creativity. So let's make it better. Okay, that's it. If you are watching my channel first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tap the bell icon to get notification for new videos. If you like the video, then share with your friends. See you in next video. Thank you.